Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English Literature class for the students of class 1. Dear students, this is our topic. Our topic is Unit 3, Synonym, Antonym and Fill in the Blanks, and our lecture number is 6, SW number 6. As your SW, you will submit synonym and antonym, synonym or antonym, okay? As your SW, you will submit synonym antonym as your SW, okay? Now please follow the board, dear students. Look here, I am going to read the topic synonym antonym. Here at first you will write word, then you will write synonym, then you will write antonym, okay? The first word is what? Clean. What is the synonym of the word clean? The synonym of the word clean is tidy. And what is its antonym? Its antonym is dirty. So the word clean, its synonym is tidy, antonym is dirty. Then look, second word loudly. Its synonym is aloud and its antonym is softly. Loudly, its synonym is what? Aloud. Antonym is what? Softly. Then look, the last word hard. What is its synonym? Strong. What is its synonym? Strong. And what is the antonym of the word hard? Hard, its antonym is soft. Okay, the word hard, its antonym is what? Soft. Okay, dear students. So the word clean, its synonym is tidy, antonym is dirty. Then the word loudly, its synonym is aloud and antonym is softly. Then the word hard, its synonym is strong and antonym is soft. Now dear students, I am going to discuss the next topic, fill in the blanks. Number A, little t-shirt dash on a clothes line. Dear students, here in this gap you will write hangs. Little t-shirt hangs on a clothes line. What is the spelling of the word hangs? H-A-N-G-S, hangs. H-A-N-G-S, hangs. Okay. So the sentence will be what? Little t-shirt hangs on a clothes line. Then number B. Rabbit is dash. Here you will write scared. Rabbit is scared. Rabbit is scared. What is the spelling of the word scared? S-C-A-R-E-D. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Then look, number C. Little t-shirt dash loudly. In this gap here you will write laughs. So the full sentence will be what? Little t-shirt laughs loudly. Little t-shirt laughs loudly. What is the spelling of the word laughs? L-A-U-G-H-S, laughs. L-A-U-G-H-S, laughs. So the sentence is what? Little t-shirt laughs loudly. So dear students, like this way you will learn this at your home and submit synonym antonym as your SW. Dear students, see you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.